Hey, today's a quick video to show you how to use this tool. It's called Almay Partition Assistant. Okay, this tool can wipe your hard drive completely, so you can download from this website. And yeah, I got it downloaded and installed. So it's an interface, quite nice and clean interface. So there's no adware or malware. Okay, at this moment, 2008, June 13th. So I have two hard drive. One is for sure is the current system running on this partition. You cannot do the wipe here, but another partition is here. So if I go here like delete all the partition, it's only delete the partition, actually didn't overwrite anything possible recoverable. But if you do this, wipe the hard drive, so how many times you can do multiple times. And if you hit OK, one, I will do one. Okay, so it's starting wiped off. Okay, wiped off. And okay, so wipe data, wipe download, overwrite in several paths. Okay, one wipe hard drive pending. Oh, it's saying it's pending operation, so you need to click here, apply. Okay, apply, lock in the disk 2, and so it will take it's 1 terabyte. It will take 17 hours. Oh, what the heck, it takes quite long actually. So hard drive 2, number of paths, operation 2. So I have 2 operations. Let's cancel these, disregard, let's do only once. Wipe hard drive 1, hit OK, then hit apply. So take a few seconds. Okay, it will take 8 hours for the almost 9 hours. Okay, let's keep going. I want to wipe it off, so it's going now. Okay, so here's how to wipe your hard drive securely, safely.